Hey there! In today's video, I'm making our all-time favorite lamb chops. Simple to cook and taste just like restaurant bought. Let's prepare the marinade for the chops. Just basic kitchen ingredients is all we need. About a cup of yogurt, salt to taste, coriander powder and roasted and finely crushed cumin, chilli powder and chilli flakes. Also squeeze in half a lemon. You can alter the chilli powder according to your taste buds. Give this all a good mix. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now add in the lamb chops. Mix this well until all the chops are coated well with the marinade. Leave this for 4 to 5 hours in the fridge or overnight is the best. In a heavy bottomed pan, I am using a cast iron skillet. Add 2 cubes of butter. Frying these in butter takes the taste to another level. When the butter is melted, add the chops. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry this for a good 20 to 25 minutes on both sides by controlling the flame. Cook until these are well done. There you have some delicious lamb chops. I serve this as a side with rice and dal. Give these a try and hit that like button if you enjoyed watching the video. And do consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.